Billions of stars, countless planets, and two massive galaxies on a collision course. What if the Milky Way and Andromeda collided tomorrow? Let's dive into this cosmic scenario and see what would happen if the night sky suddenly turned into a battlefield of stars. First, let's understand what's really happening. Andromeda, our neighboring galaxy, is on a direct path toward the Milky Way. But don't panic just yet, these galaxies won't exactly collide in the way you might think. Instead of smashing into each other, most stars will pass by without even noticing. The distances between stars are so vast that direct collisions are extremely rare. But the gravitational dance that ensues will be spectacular and chaotic. As Andromeda gets closer, the gravitational forces will warp both galaxies. Stars will be flung from their orbits, gas clouds will collide, and shockwaves will ripple through space. The night sky from Earth would be breathtaking, streaks of light, new constellations forming, and an incredible increase in star density. You might see strange new objects in the sky, glowing gas clouds, and even the birth of new stars as the collision compresses vast regions of gas. Our galaxy would no longer be the familiar spiral we know, it would be transformed into a chaotic, yet beautiful, cosmic display. But what about us here on Earth? What happens to our solar system in all this? The good news is that we're pretty far from the galactic center, so we might avoid the most intense gravitational forces. However, there's a small chance we could be flung out of the Milky Way entirely or pulled into a new orbit around the combined galaxy's core. If that happened, Earth could be flung into intergalactic space or pushed closer to the galactic center, where radiation levels are higher. This could make life on Earth much more challenging, if not impossible. Over millions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge completely, forming a new galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. The spiral arms we once knew will fade, giving way to a giant elliptical galaxy. This new galaxy will be home to all the stars, planets, and possibly life that once belonged to the Milky Way and Andromeda. For any civilization still around, the night sky will be unrecognizable, a blend of stars from both galaxies, with remnants of cosmic collisions scattered throughout the sky. In the grand scheme of the universe, galaxy collisions like this are common. They're a natural part of cosmic evolution, leading to the creation of new stars, planets, and possibly even new life. And while this might sound like the end of the Milky Way as we know it, it's also the beginning of something entirely new, a bigger, more diverse galaxy filled with endless possibilities. So, what if the Milky Way collided with Andromeda tomorrow? It would be the start of an epic cosmic event, filled with danger and beauty, chaos and creation. Our place in the universe would change forever, reminding us just how dynamic and unpredictable the cosmos can be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cosmic explorations. Until next time, keep looking up.